We're gonna make this video today to show you that it is not scary to get off of a cruise ship in Mexico and just go out and do your own thing without an excursion. And we're gonna show you how to get to Playa Carmen, how to use the Ultramar, and where to go eat when you get over there.
Yeah, all those things. Stay tuned.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come through the terminal, you're gonna come out all the way to the very end, and then you'll get you a taxi. There'll be people out here asking if you want a taxi. We're just gonna go up to the road and get one.
Of course, make sure you negotiate the price before you actually get in.
Absolutely, because we need a van, so I wanna make sure we get one we want. Hey, there's some over there. Over here. See them over there?
That's a big van. I want that one.
Yeah, let's get that guy. For us, we negotiated 20 bucks for a ride to Parque Juárez. Last time we were in Cozumel, we actually stayed here and we brought the kids down here, got ice cream and margaritas. And if you'd like to check that out, it's 24 hours in Cozumel on our channel. Your next step after you get down to Parque Juárez, you're gonna come down here to the Ultramar station and you'll get your tickets right here, and I'll show you how to do that and how much they cost. When walking up to the cashier, on your left-hand side, you will see the current exchange rate, and then you'll see the USD and the Mexican peso rate, which makes it really easy if you just take your time and read.
Andale, andale.
All right, it was $32 a person for adults and $22, if I remember correctly, for the kids.
And they do it by height for children.
Phew. All right, next thing, you just get on the boat. This is the first time we've been on a WinJet. If you want to see out the windows while inside in the AC,
yeah, you can't.
This is not the boat for that.
This is not the boat for that. But I will say their seats are super comfy versus the Ultramar.
The Ultramar, and what is the other one called? The blue one?
I'll
have to put it on the screen.
I'll let you know when we see one. It's escaping me, but these seats are super comfy.
And it's nice and cool.
It is
super cool in here.
Super cool.
A plus.
That it's very cold.
Everybody is extra hot and sweaty. It's fine.
All right, we'll see you when we get to the other side.
We're in Mexico.
Then about 30 minutes later, you'll end up in Playa Carmen.
That's where we're at now.
And of course, we gotta go to a monster store because the wife does monster stuff. I'll tag that up in the top so y'all can start seeing, like, can help her channel out.
Thanks, Goog.
Fortunately, we're having to pivot. I was gonna go try the rope monster burrito, but we don't have as much time as we thought we were gonna have here. So we're gonna take the grandparents to the Parque, walk down 5th a little bit, and try to take them to a different restaurant that we can actually make it to there and back to get back on the WinJet to get back onto the cruise ship.
This water bottle has got to be held by somebody small. Sorry.
Laura's been wanting to go in this church forever, and we keep coming here. It's probably like our 6th, 7th time here, and we still haven't been inside.
I'm going
yet.
in this time. There's the door, or I think I'm going in.
The iconic Little White Chapel in Playa Carmen, built in the 1960s, is one of the town's most beloved landmarks and a symbol of faith and tradition where locals celebrate weddings, festivals, and community events. I think I found it. Let's go in. This is it. I have found it. Hola! Oh, the rope monster sent me here. So I'm finally here, and we're getting the rope monster special here. ¿Qué tu nombre?
My name is Alfredo.
Alfredo.
Alfredo Ortega.
See, I've seen him come here so many times, I'm like, I gotta go there and try this. Alfredo is a very nice individual. As you can see, everything he cooked was made to order kind of thing. And if you see right here, you can see he's got very good knife skills. And then on top of that, like, it does take a little bit because everything is made in-house right in front of you with fresh ingredients. And I cannot wait till you see this review that you'll see later in this video. Like, I couldn't give, you'll have to see it in a minute. Until then, let's watch him do his magic in the kitchen. This looks like it's going to be worth the hype. Is that Oaxaca cheese?
Yeah, avocado cheese is the shrimp.
Grande camarones.
Yeah, it's big camarón. Camarón jumbo. Aquí le dicen Mexican camarón jumbo.
Oh, okay. Getting it dressed up now.
Yeah, avocado.
This looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I said I wasn't gonna be able to make it here, but I think I made it here. Hopefully I make it back to the boat. See.
Yeah, red and green, it's spicy.
It's see.
Yeah.
All right, so we got the burrito. Unfortunately, it's gonna have to go in the bag, and I'll eat it when I get to where I'm going. Oh, hopefully I can make it back to get on the, whatever, JetBlue, no, that's the plane. I can't remember the name of it now. The orange boat that we took over here. I've got the burrito. It's in the backpack. I'll have to eat it when I get to where I'm going. This better be worth the hype. Let's do this. So I did make it. I did get to go get the rope monster burrito, but I'm gonna have to eat it on the boat ride back over because I ran out of time, had to run, get here. Whew, it was a mess, but I'm here. I'm gonna get on the boat, and that's basically how you make a round trip to Playa de Carmen by yourself, getting off a cruise ship. At this moment, we thought everything was fine. We didn't know our phones were lying to us.
We are leaving Playa de Carmen. We are getting ready to get back on board the orange boat. Forgot the name, something jet.
I keep getting it.
Something wet jet? I don't know. That sounds terrible. That's probably a cleaning product. Anyway, we're going back to Cozumel. The WinJet, from the North crew.
The WinJet.
The WinJet, that's where we're headed. So we're going on the WinJet. We're gonna head across back to Cozumel, and then we are going to explore just a little bit and head back to the cruise ship so they don't leave us and we end up being pier runners.
Yes, but we ran out. We didn't have as much time in Playa de Carmen, so we didn't do everything we said we set out to do. Your store that you want to go to ended up not even existing.
Yeah, it's gone. It disappeared. So I had planned on going to like a Halloween theme type area, and we walked all the way there. Nothing. It was a pink wall to make it even more ironic. It was a pink wall.
Yeah.
It used to be a Halloween store.
So I want a perfect, successful trip over here, but we still had a good time walking around, looking at things, watching the shows in the park. And until next time, Playa.
So Michael is the only one with food currently.
I ran to grab this.
Let me just point this out. That greedy McGreeter pants over here got himself some food.
It was the only thing I wanted to come to Playa for this time, was to try the rope monster burrito.
All right, get in there, take a bite.
I think, what does he say? It's like first bite magic?
Something. Was it worth the hype?
It was really good.
Was it worth the hype?
Was it worth the run? Yeah.
Was it worth almost passing out on the beach, literally?
Yeah. Look at the size of the shrimps. In this
Okay,
thing.
so maybe it was worth it.
I filmed them cooking it. Like, it was amazing looking.
So how much is this monster burrito?
I don't know. The guy, because I thought it was in such a rush, I couldn't understand what he was saying the price was. So I just handed him a 20 and said, gracias.
Oh, so you gringoed yourself.
Very happy.
All right, so is that picante sauce?
Yes, this is the verde. He said this one wasn't as hot as the rojo.
Okay.
We're gonna give this a try. I was trying to open it without actually pinching the bag back.
Yeah, okay,
over.
first off, you already know that you should just do it.
Yeah, but what am I gonna do with it after I open it?
Trash can right behind you, literally.
Okay, there is a trash can. Good.
I don't know what he was doing. Making it more difficult than it needed to be.
I need that spicy.
Yet.
Green's pretty good though. They made everything fresh right in front of me. That's why it took so long. I'll give it to you as soon as I get through tasting this one. That was way too much for me to eat.
All right.
I've been sitting. Now we got the rojo. Oh, there's the heat. I feel the heat from the last one now.
Ah. So it's a slow burn.
That one is spicy. That is good.
Side note, if y'all notice that the video is like a little shaky, it's because we're on a boat.
That one is spicy. That is good. That is definitely worth getting it. Water Monster is not overhyping this burrito right here. That is delicious.
All right, shout out to him in Playa de Carmen. What was the name of the company?
I don't remember. I'll have to put it right here on the screen or right here or somewhere like that.
Or down below.
Yeah, I'll figure it out later.
Check the links.
So we'll see you when we get back over to Cozumel now. On our ride back over on the WinJet, this time we got a much larger boat, and they actually had live music, which was really cool. Like, the band was really good. We enjoyed that. The kids like started playing and dancing with the wife. The father-in-law got really into it. And then after that, we took a lot longer to get back than I've ever been on one of these things. Like, I believe it was right at about 50 to 55 minutes, which I've never had a ride from Playa de Carmen to Cozumel or Cozumel to Playa de Carmen just ever taken that long. But then when we got back on Cozumel Island, the cruise ship called me, and how I told you earlier that the phones were lying to us, this is when we found out that we were about to be pier runners. This is happening. We're pier runners on the kids' first attempt at cruising. This is awesome. Good job, guys. Oh yeah, we're gonna make it. The ship's still here. They called me on my phone physically though. The video kind of just abruptly stopped and like giving you information, and we're already back on the ship. That's because we're today years old when we became pier runners for the first time with, you know, mother and father-in-law in tow, both kids. Like, It's a lot tougher to travel with a group.
We're out of practice. And we're out of practice. On top of being out of practice, we added 4 people to the chaos.
Yeah.
So
I don't think we've ever taken a cruise with other people, have we?
No. So we were today years old on being pier runners to the point my mom is waving like Miss America to people.
Yeah. We had people yelling at us and being like, get a watch.
Like, you didn't know when to be back? I mean, we knew, but also in our defense, so we are on Eastern time at home. The boat is also on Eastern time. The Cozumel is on Central, so they're an hour difference.
And my phone updated, and then I thought I was still on boat time because it was on boat time this morning, and then it wasn't when we got to the island.
So yeah, we made it. Yeah, cool. We were today years old, and guess what? We won't be doing the rest of this trip. That is not happening again. That was stressful, although it makes funny content, and you might see video of Miss America just waving at the boat. Just know that it is frowned upon, and they were not very happy. They didn't say anything negative, but their facial expressions, you could tell they weren't very happy.
The good thing is we weren't the last
last.
people. There was 2 more people after us after we got back. What was the other thing I was wanting to say? There was something else I wanted to say about this. I don't remember now. If it comes to me, I'll add it in there.
I don't know.
Wait, we're back on the boat. Oh, that's what it was. The suggested time. I thought it was a suggested time of like, hey, get back on the ship at 3:30, and then like there would be like a final call type thing, and like that was not the case because we got back at like 4:15ish, something like that, and I was like, oh, that's plenty of time. The boat don't leave until 5. Yeah. It's been a while since we cruised.
So. On a positive note, it is not a suggested time. Show up.
No, be there at 3:30. Whatever it says, that is the time. That is the last call.
Don't be us.
Yeah. Until next time. When I have more time, I'll come back. Oh yeah. We're on a cruise this time. We're not here.
See you later.
Yeah, definitely.
Thanks.
You have a good one. Hasta luego. We got the burrito. It's in the backpack. Let's do this. Let's get to the beach. These sandals off. Start running. I'm gonna be out of breath by the time I get there. Need to call the wife, make sure we're still okay on time.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm running back now.
Okay, we'll run because I'm in a store and I'm getting them ices and we got to go.
Yeah, I know. I'm physically running there. I'm at the other Ultramar.
Okay, love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Come on, can I be at the beach already? That's right, this curves around the hotel. I need to go up one more block for one to the beach. Didn't think about that. I just added time to my trip. But I get to see the beach. Oh, all right, grab those. Let's get to skedaddling. Need to go one more block up before I went to the ocean. Hopefully I can get around this way. Shit, I ain't got time to turn around. Oh shit, that's on a rock. All right, hold on to everything. All right, it ain't too bad. It's gonna be rocky as hell over here. Oh my God, how far do I gotta go before I can get out of this? It looks like it's getting deeper over there. What did I get myself into? This was dumb. Slip and fall right here. All my equipment on me. Slipping and sliding everywhere on rocks. This is the way I planned this to go, 100%. This is way too rocky and way too dangerous. This, again, this resort's gonna have to suck it up and let me through. There's somewhere I'm not supposed to be. If I gotta get out of here. Beach wash out here too? For the love of God, can I just go straight and get back up? I don't know. Just stop coming to the beach. I don't know if I can make it. I'm dehydrated, I'm hot. I ain't got time to stop. I done make 2 mistakes. How much to the park?
Where?
The park with the
Ferry.
Yeah, the ferry.
Ferry, 150 pesos.
You got change?
Come on, let's Come on, buddy.
Gracias. How much?
100.
No, about how much for?
It's just a good tip.
Good tip. Here, can you split that between all y'all?
Okay.
Gracias.
I don't know where your wallet's at. Is somewhere in my bag?
It may be in my pocket. I don't know. I'm just making sure you didn't have it in your hand.
No, I have mine in Killian's passes.
I'm just panicking, flying through everything. This was a crazy one. We've never traveled with 6 people before and it got wild. But either way, we made it. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments below if you would travel with us. Ship time matters.